Hi, this is Doug.
And I'm Cindy.
Welcome to ELP 5Cast. Thanks for joining in today. This is a program where we answer your caregiver questions, and we've got a good one today. This listener writes in and says, we've been told that mom has too much money to qualify for Medicaid. We hear that one a lot. Too much money to qualify for Medicaid. What do we do? And he goes on to write, mom's writing a check for $6,500 every month for her care, and her money's going to be gone in less than a year. So what do? Do we just let her spend it all, or what?
No, I would say no.
No, that's a good answer, no.
Well, number one, I would make sure she has a prepaid burial paid for. If she does not, I would use part of that money for that. And there are going to be things that mom is going to need while she is in the nursing home that some of this money could be used to pay for. However, if the money stays in her name and she has resources above $2,000, she's not going to qualify for assistance to help pay for her care. So there are legal strategies that you can use to get her qualified and preserve some of this money so that she can have the money for quality of life items while she is in the nursing home.
So point is, if this is happening, if you've been told that she's got too much money, that part of that's true. Like Cindy said, mom has to be under resources, under $2,000, but to get there, not all of the money has to be spent out monthly to pay. I mean, the nursing home's got to be paid every month, but the key is to do what is necessary to get her qualified for Medicaid assistance so that can pay her nursing home cost, and a little bit of this money can be preserved. Mom and dad have worked hard all of these years. They've saved this money, and they'd like some of it to pass on down to the kids.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's not just money, it's something else. They may have
a rent house.
A rent house, or sometimes it's just something of sentimental value. Mom and dad may have grown up in a little town, and they've got a little lot that's been in the family for 50 years, and they would really like to pass that on to their kids, but that lot's worth more than $2,000.
Absolutely.
Or they may have mineral rights, or they may have other things that they would want to pass down, and steps can be taken to preserve this if you do it quickly enough, and if you spend down, or if you don't spend down, if you take action to protect it. That's and not right. Just spend it all down. And I said spend down, I was thinking ahead, getting ahead of myself here, but a problem we see that people do sometimes, they spend it down to zero, and then they think, well, mom will automatically get Medicaid, she's down to zero. So the nursing home fills out the Medicaid application and sends it in, and it comes back 3 months later denied. Well, why is it denied? Well, we see that mom gave granddaughter $5,000 4 years ago as a down payment on a car. Nobody knew about it, but when DHS was going through the bank statements, they found the check. Or that there was, mineral rights in Oklahoma and nobody knew it, and they say on the bank statement a little credit for a quarterly royalty payment, and they said $4, and they said, what's that? And then they got where'd that $4 come from? Oh, mom's got mineral rights in Oklahoma, and those mineral rights are worth $8,000. Or there can be many things like this that the family didn't know. Exactly. So it's important to get on, even if you don't care about the money, don't care about protecting it, it's important to get on top of this while there's some money left to fix some of these problems, because if you spend all of this money and it's gone and something like this comes up, then what happens?
Well, somebody's got to pay that bill.
Somebody's got to pay.
Or they may ask her to leave the facility.
So in that case, mom can't pay because she's broke, the kids don't have to pay, and the state says, we're not going to pay till this problem's taken care of, and so it's just a problem sometimes. So don't it's what we call falling in the gap. So don't let yourself fall in the gap. Don't let yourself get to the point where mom's got no money and she don't qualify for care and she needs assistance. It's too late.
Or better yet, preserve some of this money while you can, so that you can have money for mom's quality of life items while she's in the nursing home. If you find yourself in this situation, or mom's in this situation, click below and schedule a free 15-minute phone consultation, and we can talk about this.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.